Welcome back to Shelly's Bakes Cakes. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys. Today we are making another fall line cake, and it's a different way. So I'm showing you guys how to achieve this fun fall line cake look. We are using these super cute sugar sheets. These sugar sheets are totally edible, and they're just so cute, guys. I like to start out using these sugar sheets by cutting them in half because they're a little bit too big to fit on my cake. So I cut them in half and then they just peel away like a sticker. Super fun, super easy, and totally edible. I'll put the link to where I got these down in my description. And then we are going to put it right in the middle of our cake. As you can see, I'm just placing it in the center of my cake. All I did is crumb coated this cake, and then I stuck this icing sheet right in the middle. After our sugar sheet is placed on our cake and the air bubbles are out, it doesn't have to be perfect. We are going to start piping some buttercream. We're going to pipe buttercream around the bottom of our cake. Then we're going to leave a space where we put our sugar sheet. And then right above that, we are going to pipe some more buttercream. We're going to put a little bit on the top, and then we're going to smooth it out. Use your cake scraper and smooth out that buttercream, and you can see that it's kind of making the fall line look. As you keep scraping that buttercream and smoothing it out, it's supposed to look uneven. That is how we get that fault line signature look. So keep just smoothing out that buttercream until it's nice and smooth, guys. And there you have a fault line cake with the cute pattern in the middle. It could be my favorite fault line cake that I have ever made. Alright, then we're just going to finish this cake off with some buttercream swirls. I use my 1M tip to create these cute buttercream swirls. Then we're going to put some sprinkles. Obviously, we need sprinkles. And then I just got some rose gold cake paint, and I put a little bit of lemon extract in, and we just painted the sides of our fault lines just to give it that extra little bling. I hope you had fun watching this quick fun video on how we create this cute fault line cake using sugar sheets. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure and subscribe to my channel here at Shelly's Bakes Cakes, and have an awesome day, guys.